Hindi naman siguro.
Tingin nyo dapat automatic na
Ang
kailangan.
question dyan is yung material time. Yan ang pinaka-issue dyan. But as to whether or not actionan ng Senado, hindi siguro ganda ng Senate to act on that. Once the articles of impeachment are transmitted to the Senate, so actionan talaga. Hindi po pwedeng hindi actionan. Actionan. Pero yun nga ang tanong dyan, material time, kakayanin ba within this 19th Congress? Kasi kung hindi kakayanin, meron namang another issue dyan. Pwede ba itawid sa next Congress? So, madugo na debate yan. Pwede bang tumawid? Hindi. To explain my personal thought on this, based on my readings, based on my research, I am more inclined to believe na hindi na pwedeng tumawid sa next Congress. Yan ang aking nakikita.
Dahil
sa hindi ako abogado, pero nag-research ako. Pinag-aralan ko, yan ang nakikita ko.
bakit po sir? Bakit hindi na pwedeng tumawid?
It's one of the unfinished business with their legislative, other business of the Senate. Still unfinished business. Dahil nga, independent yung 19th Congress from the 20th Congress and vice versa. So, nung nasimula nitong 19th Congress, hindi binding yung 20th Congress na ipagpatuloy yung ginawa ng 19th Congress. Kasi they're separate Congress, other Congress. And the question of jurisdiction will come in. Denial yan sa 19th Congress. Magiging question dyan is na jurisdiction ng 20th Congress na makialam sa impeachment case na denial sa 19th Congress. Malaking question dyan. At alam ko, despite the fact na mayroong opposing schools of thought, madugo rin ang malaking debate.
Yung thinking na hindi tatawid, ikaw lang ba or anong pag-uusap niyo sa grupo niyo?
Marami rin naniniwala. Hindi ko lang sabihin pangalan, marami rin naniniwala na hindi na talaga dapat tatawid. Like for example, Senator Tolentino kahapon, during his manifestation, very clear naman yung manifestation niya, di ba? Kanyang explanation, very clear naman. So, hindi lang siya, marami pa. Hindi ibang naniniwala.